Hi there, students. A tinfoil hat. A hat made of aluminium foil. The idea of the aluminium hat is to stop government surveillance of what somebody's thinking, or maybe to stop mind control by aliens. Let's see, if you are a paranoid schizophrenic and you hear voices in your mind, the first question you would ask is why? Where are these coming from? I'm sure if you suddenly heard a voice inside, you'd say, where's that coming from? And anyway, you could justify it that the government is putting rays into your head. And then you might decide, if I wear a tinfoil hat, then this will protect me from the rays. Let's see, this phrase, a tinfoil hat, has come into usage, and we use it to mean paranoia, somebody who is obsessed with conspiracy theory. Somebody who maybe has delusions of persecution. So I could say, for example, John is full of tinfoil hat ideas. He's always worrying that the government are putting ideas into our mind. He's always obsessed by conspiracy theory. I want you to take off your tinfoil hat and think rationally about this subject. So, I want you to take off your tinfoil hat. I want you to stop being unreasonably paranoid, unreasonably concerned, and think logically. Do you think the tinfoil hat brigade will be at the party? So I guess the tinfoil hat brigade are going to be a group of people who are going to spend all night discussing their own pet conspiracy theory. Yeah, a conspiracy theory is that there are a group of people who are trying to manipulate this or manipulate that or make us think or act in a certain way. Notice, if you say this word tinfoil hat to someone, if you accuse them of wearing a tinfoil hat, you're saying they're a little bit crazy and a little bit paranoid. Yeah? So no more of your tinfoil hat suggestions. Okay, no more of your crazy paranoid theories, and that's the idea. So, question, what about formality of this word? I guess it's probably neutral formality, and I think you could probably use it in an informal conversation, and I think it would sound great in a formal document as well, okay? So I think you can probably use it just about anywhere. I think I'd use it in the phrase to wear a tinfoil hat, to have a tinfoil hat view of the world, to have tinfoil hat ideas, okay? So, tinfoil hat, paranoid. And before I finish, remember, just because you're paranoid, it doesn't mean they're not out to get you. So they do sound like tinfoil hat ideas, but you never know, it might be true. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tinfoil hat.